On my second day at the hair show, I wore a super easy hairstyle and I got so many compliments on it. I decided today that instead of a wig Wednesday, we're gonna do a natural lock style. Let's get our material together. All you need for this lock style is some type of Marley natural crochet hair. I am going with the twisted up Afro spring twist hair, bobby pins, rubber bands. I won a few products and got some samples from Aunt Jackie's at the hair show. So today we're going to use some Aunt Jackie products. Was gifted this cute spray bottle. I won the leave-in conditioner and I got samples of the edge and twist gel and the edge control. After using water to add moisture, I used a little of the leave-in conditioner and put the edge and braid gel on my fingers. So while I was braiding down, my little frizz can lay down, and I did the same thing on the other side. I just put my hair in a ponytail. Now I'm going to separate the Marley hair at the ends and gather it together with a rubber band. And the first bundle goes under your ponytail while the second bundle goes over your ponytail. And then take a piece of hair to wrap around and secure it with some bobby pins. I used the edge gel to get these edges together. If you don't like doing your edges, that's fine. I like my edges to be smooth with styles like this. And then I had a few short pieces, so I secured those with a bobby pin. And this is the finished look. Super easy, super quick, super cute. You can shop this hair and products at Beauty Supply Refresh.